Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 18-foot by 52-inch round above-ground pool. Take in the summertime, sun splashing and playing in the 18-foot by 52-inch above-ground pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard. This made of hot-dipped galvanized steel walls strengthened with deep corrugation, molded resin covers, galvanized steel ledges and verticals, and universal top and bottom steel rails and plates. Tru-Lock wall closure offers a newly designed fastening system for maximum strength, greater wall stability, and a faster, easier assembly. This kit comes with GLI Uni-Bead South Beach liner and wide mouth wall skimmer kit. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits: universal top and bottom steel rails. This pool carries a 20-year warranty backed by Hollowell Industries. This kit comes complete with a wide mouth wall skimmer, skimmer basket, return inlet, gasket, skimmer weir, and hardware kit. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.